Alright, so here's a quick run through on how to make the stepper cable for the SmartSpin2k. This cable is going to go off of here on the 4-pin connector, right there. And then, of course, it goes to the stepper motors connector, right here. The issue that we have is the cables that come with the stepper motor are way too long, like way too long. You won't fit that in the case. So we need the wire. And we're going to need these pins. They come with your crimping kit along with crimping tool, just like this guy. And you'll need a stripper, and then of course the JST XH connector. First thing to do then is take the wire, and we only really need it about, yay long, about that long. And just make sure that you cut the stepper motor side. It's a little easier. It saves you burning up one of your longer connectors. It's not too big of a deal, but take it, cut it about that long. Take each one of these, open them up. And in order to assemble these, you're going to need to actually separate them quite a bit, so about like that. And then as far as the actual stripping goes, just about like that much. So there those are. And then we need to take all of these, come for automatic machines basically. So find the end of the strip here, and we're just going to need 4 of them. All right, we've got our 4 of those, and then next step is to take and load these into the crimping tool. This is actually one of the trickier parts. Best way I've found is to hold it from one side, and then you can see probably how that goes in. Leaves a little bit of a gap. And on this side, you don't want to go too far. There's a little tab right there you can see. If you push it too far, you're going to catch that tab and crimp it, which you don't want to do. So then we just take and put each wire inside, make sure that you've got enough wire sticking out and that you don't have any stray ends going into the next one. And that's what those should look like, just with the insulation inside of the clip and the stripped wire inside of the metal part of the clip. And we just repeat that 4 times, make sure that you got it all on the same side also. Alright, and then the next part is just taking and putting the wires inside of a little clip. Just, you see how the little open windows are. You got one side with open windows, other side is flat. And then you're just going to take and put these in order. This side is crossed over, you'll see that. See how those wires are crossed, they're supposed to be. And then this side here, you just make sure that they go in to the slots. And that's why it's nice to have them stripped back a little bit extra. There you go, stepper cable made.